Hi, Mark Reedy here. Just wanted to show you real quick what we've done with 4.6.26.011 update. And basically it's just two things. For the parts inventory screen, we've added the ability to be able to edit a work order by double clicking from the where and when parts are used list down below here. So you can see here this particular customer has this tire that they've installed on multiple vehicles. Looks like 62 total tires installed over a multitude of vehicles, and they've only put a price in on a few of them. So the idea would be to be able, in the past you would have had to, notate the equipment number and the work order number, and then close out the parts inventory, go find the equipment number, go find the work order number, open the work order, and edit the cost, for example, or any other thing, anything else on the work order. So now if we just go to, for example, this one here, we can just go ahead and look at this D104. Say I wanted to change the price of that particular one. Double click on it now. Opens right up into that work order. Go ahead and go to parts and materials used. Go ahead and go over to the tire install, and we can change the price here. We can just say whatever, $550, and then just save and close. Save and close. We scroll down to the bottom here and we can see the price has been updated here in the list as well. All right, so that's what we've done there. And then also, if I'm gonna go ahead and close that. If we go over and just open up a work order here, one of the things that was just noticed by one of our customers was on the service by, you were not able to add to the service by field on the fly, and now you can. So if I just type in some information here on the service by, hit the tab or enter, it asks you if you want to add it. It tells you it's not on the list, asks you if you want to add it, click OK, and it gets added to the list and goes down to the next field of the short descriptions. And the other thing is if you double click on that field, it'll bring up that particular service by, and so you could make a change to it and then close, and it's going to update the service by field there. So I could double click on that. I could also navigate to other service by items in the list and change them to something new, and it would update the drop down list, so you can see that one that I just changed from test to new is now live in the drop down list as well. All right, hopefully that's helpful for you, and thanks for watching. Take care.